Hi guys, Mantas here, and today I want to show you how to install Facebook pixel code on your self-hosted WordPress website, blog. So basically, there are a lot of benefits installing fixed pixel code even though you are not advertising right now. That's because you're just collecting data about these visitors, and later on when you're gonna have enough audience, you're gonna start advertising campaign, and specifically a retargeting campaign. So it means you're gonna show the ad for the visitors who was on your website. Just before we start the video, could you guys do me a favor and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So what you need to do, you have to go to your ads manager. So you have to manage your ads. If you have never ever advertised anything on Facebook ads, just go through the process, confirm you want to advertise, but don't create any ads yet. So you want to see on your ads Facebook ads manager, you're gonna see the page just like this. Once you do that, you have to click here on Facebook ads on the left top side, and you want to go to Events Manager. Once you're here, uh, then you need to go to your pixel. So you're gonna click on Details, and here we are. On the right top corner, you see a Setup button. So you click on that, and you click on Install Pixel. I usually don't try the first option. I just want manually install pixel code myself. So locate the header code, blah blah blah. You can read it if you want, but I already know. So this is the code you need to copy the entire pixel code and paste into your website header. So we can copy. Alright, now we need to log into our WordPress dashboard to our website. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, so the next thing you want to install one plugin. And actually guys, there might be a situation you have an option in your WordPress theme where you can add analytics codes. So if you have such an option, so please go there and add the code in the following section. If no, just follow the video and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I want to add a new plugin, and I'm searching for a plugin which is header footer, and I have tried this one already. It works just perfectly. So I'm gonna just install and activate that plugin. When the plugin is installed, you're gonna see a new tab on your WordPress dashboard. So go in settings, like just press on the tab HFCM, and you wanna add a new snippet. This is a piece of code which will be installed. So if you wanna go, you can go to back to the Facebook, and as you saw, it should be installed. The code should be in the section above the head tag. So we have the code. We can snippet code in that section, paste that code, and the snippet name, I'm gonna name it Facebook. This code should be displayed site-wide because we want to track all website visitors. Whatever page he visits, we want to track that view, So it doesn't matter if he is gonna visit our homepage or specific blog post or specific landing page or a thank you page. It doesn't matter. This code will be applied site-wide. So the location of the code is gonna be in the header, and it's gonna be shown on all devices, and it's gonna be active right now, or you may do it inactive for a moment, but I would do it active straight away. So once you save, click that save button, the code will be applied site-wide to your website. And the next thing we wanna do, we wanna check if that pixel code fires and works properly. So for this reason, I would suggest you to use Chrome extension. So I would go to Chrome extensions, and I'm gonna search for extension which is named Facebook Pixel Helper. So if you can't find, of course you haven't installed in your browser yet, so go to the Chrome store and look for Facebook Pixel. And this is the first it's gonna be probably the first plugin, that extension for the Chrome browser. So you have to install that extension. And now we can check. So we have to go to our blog. So it's gonna be here, and wait while it loads. All right, loaded, and I can see already. So the Facebook pixel fires correctly, and I can see this as a page view, because basically this is a basic Facebook pixel code which tracks only page views. However, if you are building email list like I do, you also would like to track event, like someone would opt in to your email list, so would like to know that. So what you should do now, you can come back to the same page on the Facebook Events Manager and click on that setup button, set up new events, and I usually use manually install event code as well. And here you can choose from variety of events. If you have e-commerce store, so you can install some scripts from here, but I'd like to track now only signups and leads. So you have to go to the leads, click on that, and this is the code you need, script, this one short one. And actually you can even though add parameters like conversion value and the currency. So let's say if your subscriber value is like $1 for subscriber, and currency you can do your own, like dollars, pounds, whatever you need. So you just enter these values and the code will change itself. So I usually install this basic code. So I'm gonna copy this code, and I would go now back to my WordPress blog, and this code should be installed in the page or post where user will be redirected after he opts in, after the user enters email address. That usually I use thank you page. But for the sake of example, I'm gonna use it on another page, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So I'm on my test page, and actually you should be on your thank you page for this reason. So you can write something like thank you for subscribing. or similar, something similar, or if you're delivering your, lead magnet, maybe you created some PDF, or I mean, you could place a video on this page as well. So I'm just saying thank you for subscribing, yeah. And I can add after one more block, and I can turn this add to custom HTML in this block, and I could literally just paste a code in here. And Facebook should track that as a lead. So when the visitor opts in and the visitor is redirected to this page, so this pixel fires, this event fires, and Facebook understands you got a lead. You got one more email subscriber. So if I'm gonna update this page, I'm gonna view it. Alright, nothing fancy, just a test page, but you can design this page as you wish, So I can go back to that page here, and in the Chrome I can check if that code fires, and I can see the event fires as a lead. You see, there is a site-wide pixel code which collects page views, and I visited specific page which notifies Facebook, so I got one more lead. The last thing I recommend to do when installing Facebook Pixel is just go back to your Facebook Ads Manager and click on the top left corner Events Manager, and you wanna click on the audiences. And now actually if you just created your ads account, your audience list is empty, so you want to create a new custom audience. And I want to use it as a website traffic audience. Include people who meet any of the following criteria from the main pixel: all website visitors from the past 180 days. And you want to name that audience, so you can name it like all my website or all my blog visitors, like all my blog visitors. And you want to click on create audience, and it's gonna appear new audience tab here. Alright, so now in a time when any visitors from any source, it doesn't matter from the visitors coming to your site from SEO, from Google Ads, from backlinks, from whatever reason, maybe you posted something on social media, it doesn't matter, visitor coming from the Twitter, so Facebook Pixel anyways collects that data and it is on your list. So that was the last thing I would do, and I hope you guys like this video, so give it a thumbs up, share it, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments.